Welcome back to Inside Elegance, where timeless interiors and inspiring design ideas come together to help you create a home filled with beauty and character. Today, we're exploring the captivating world of classical European decor, a style that celebrates graceful architecture, luxurious materials, and an atmosphere of refined grandeur. Whether you're redesigning an entire home or adding elegant accents, you'll discover ideas that bring lasting sophistication into every room. Before we begin, we'd love to have you as part of our growing community. Please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like if you enjoy elegant home inspiration, and leave a comment sharing which European design style speaks to you the most. Your support helps us continue bringing timeless decorating ideas to life. Now, let's step inside a world where soaring ceilings, stately columns, intricate moldings, and graceful furnishings work together to create interiors that feel both luxurious and welcoming. Prepare to gather inspiration for transforming every corner of your home with refined architectural charm. The beauty of classical European interiors begins with architecture itself. Elegant crown moldings, decorative ceiling medallions, paneled walls, and symmetrical layouts establish a sense of order and harmony that immediately elevates a space. Even modest homes can borrow these architectural details to create an impression of timeless grandeur. Symmetry is one of the defining principles of classical design. Matching windows, balanced furniture arrangements, paired sconces, and centered focal points create visual calm while allowing every decorative element to feel intentional. This careful balance gives each room an effortless elegance that never feels overwhelming. Doorways framed with decorative trim, graceful archways, and detailed columns add layers of architectural richness. These features create depth throughout the home, guiding the eye naturally from one beautiful space to the next while maintaining a cohesive and sophisticated atmosphere. Natural stone has long been associated with European luxury. Marble fireplaces, limestone floors, polished travertine, and decorative stone accents introduce texture, durability, and understated elegance that remain beautiful for generations. Rich hardwood flooring paired with handcrafted cabinetry brings warmth to classical interiors. Walnut, oak, and mahogany provide deep character, while carefully carved details highlight exceptional craftsmanship and timeless appeal. Metallic accents in antique gold, aged bronze, and brushed brass complete the luxurious palette. Whether incorporated through lighting, mirror frames, or decorative hardware, these finishes reflect light beautifully while adding subtle richness without overpowering the overall design. The living room serves as the heart of classical European entertaining. Large sofas upholstered in velvet or fine linen create inviting comfort, while elegant armchairs, carved coffee tables, and decorative side cabinets establish a balanced and sophisticated arrangement. A dramatic fireplace often anchors the room, framed by ornate mantels and complemented by oversized artwork or decorative mirrors. Crystal chandeliers suspended overhead become stunning centerpieces, filling the space with sparkling light and timeless glamour. Layered textiles complete the atmosphere. Rich draperies, patterned area rugs, embroidered cushions, and luxurious throws soften architectural elements while introducing warmth, comfort, and visual depth throughout the space. Classical European dining rooms celebrate gathering and hospitality. Long dining tables crafted from solid wood pair beautifully with upholstered chairs, creating an inviting setting for memorable meals shared with family and guests alike. Statement lighting plays a central role above the table. Crystal chandeliers or traditional lanterns illuminate the room while emphasizing the symmetry that defines classical interiors. Carefully selected china cabinets and sideboards provide both beauty and practical storage. In the kitchen, decorative range hoods, paneled cabinetry, natural stone countertops, and elegant hardware blend functionality with timeless design. Every detail contributes to a refined space where cooking becomes part of the home's overall sense of luxury. A classical bedroom feels peaceful, luxurious, and perfectly balanced. Upholstered headboards, carved bed frames, elegant nightstands, and carefully selected lighting establish a restful environment inspired by Europe's grand estates. Soft color palettes featuring ivory, warm cream, muted taupe, gentle gray, and subtle gold accents create an atmosphere of serenity. Fine bedding, layered blankets, and decorative pillows add inviting comfort while maintaining a polished appearance. Decorative ceiling details, elegant mirrors, and thoughtfully chosen artwork complete the room without unnecessary clutter. Every accessory contributes to a harmonious environment where refinement and relaxation exist together beautifully. Accessories bring personality to classical interiors while honoring centuries of artistic tradition. Marble sculptures, ceramic urns, antique clocks, decorative books, and carefully curated collections tell stories that enrich each room. Wall art inspired by European landscapes, historical portraits, botanical illustrations, and classical architecture reinforces the home's timeless character. Carefully selected frames with antique finishes enhance every piece while maintaining visual consistency throughout the interior. Fresh flowers, elegant candles, decorative trays, and seasonal greenery provide the finishing touches. These simple additions introduce life and warmth, ensuring the grandeur of classical design always feels welcoming rather than formal or distant. Classical European decor continues to inspire because it celebrates enduring beauty, thoughtful craftsmanship, and architectural elegance that never goes out of style. By combining timeless materials, balanced layouts, and carefully chosen decorative details, every room can achieve a sense of graceful sophistication. Thank you so much for spending time with us here on Inside Elegance. We hope today's ideas inspire you to bring refined architectural charm into your own home and create spaces that feel elegant for years to come. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to Inside Elegance, give this video a like, and leave a comment sharing your favorite classical European decorating idea. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you again soon with more beautiful home decor inspiration.